باب إطعام الطعام من الإسلام. Chapter: To feed others is a part of Islam.
حدثنا عمرو بن خالد قال حدثنا الليث عن يزيد عن أبي الخير عن عبد الله بن عمرو رضي الله عنه أن رجلا سأل النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: أي الإسلام خير؟ قال: تطعم الطعام وتقرأ السلام على من عرفت ومن لم تعرف. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr. A man asked the Prophet, peace be upon him, what sort of deeds or what qualities of Islam are good? The Prophet, peace be upon him, replied, to feed the poor and greet those whom you know and those whom you do not know. Shaykh Hafidh Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 10 narrations from Abdullah bin Amr. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our YouTube page. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel.